Okay, we're ready for the next step with the making tacos. Got everything mixed and chopped, nice and crumbly for the ground beef using the mix and chop, of course, one of the favorite tools. And then I'm going to use my measuring cups for 1/4 cup of the taco seasoning. And I love these little measuring cups. This side for the dry measurements, and then if you want, you can use this side for liquid measurements. So I've got my 1/4 cup there, and then 3/4 cup of water for the seasoning. And I seriously use this guy every day. So same feature. Measure this side for liquids, and the other side for dry stuff. And it's great for peanut butter. So because don't have to scrape the edges to get all the peanut butter out after you push it through the measuring cup.